Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Characteristics of sound. Characteristics of sound. Characteristics of sound. There are few fundamental characteristics. There are few fundamental characteristics of sound by which one sound can be distinguished from another sound. These characteristics are number one, loudness. Number two, pitch. And number three, quality of sound. Number one, what is loudness of sound? Number 8, loudness. Number one, loudness of sound. The magnitude of auditory sensation. The magnitude of auditory sensation by a sound in our ear is called loudness. Loudness of sound depends upon certain factors. Number one, the area of a vibrating body. Area of vibrating body means, for example, a school bell has a large surface area and therefore it produces a loud sound as compared with the sound of the house bell. The drum or a dhol produces a loud sound as compared with that produced by a dholak, smaller drum. Thus, a large surface area of a vibrating body, louder will be the sound produced. Thus, larger the area of vibrating body, louder will be the sound produced. Number two, the number two factor is the amplitude of vibrating body. The amplitude of vibrating body. Amplitude means a drum produces a loud sound when the membrane is struck strongly, where the sound is faint when the membrane is struck gently. So if the amplitude of the vibrating body is large, the sound produced will be loud, while the sound will be low if the amplitude is small. Number 3, the distance from the vibrating body. The distance from the vibrating body. The distance from the vibrating body means the loudness of the sound increase or decrease as the distance between the source of sound and the listener decrease or increase respectively. Number 2 is the pitch of sound. What is the pitch of sound? Waves. Pitch of sound. It is the characteristics of sound by means of which shrill sound can be distinguished from a grave sound. The characteristics of sound by means of which a shrill sound can be distinguished from a grave sound. For example, it depends upon frequency. For example, the greater the frequency, the higher will be the pitch, and the lower the frequency, the lower will be the pitch. The sound produced by birds and cats are high pitch, where the sound by dogs and voice are of low pitch. Number three, quality of sound. Quality of sound. The property of sound. By which two sounds of same loudness, of same loudness, loudness and pitch are distinguished are called quality of sound. It is the quality of sound that enable us to recognize the sound of an individual person's whom we know, and this depends upon depends upon the waveform of the sound waves.